UI or UX development. Lecture 2. User research and personas. Introduction to user research. Conducting user interviews and surveys. Creating user personas. Introduction to user research. User research is a crucial component of the UI or UX design process. It involves studying the behavior, needs, and expectations of users to create designs that meet their needs and expectations. User research helps designers to understand their target audience better and make informed design decisions. By conducting user research, designers can learn about users' habits, preferences, and pain points. This information can then be used to create designs that are user-friendly, efficient, and satisfying. The insights gained from user research can also help designers identify opportunities for innovation and improvement, resulting in better products and services. Ultimately, good user research is the foundation of good UI or UX design, helping to ensure that designs are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, intuitive, and effective. Conducting user interviews and surveys. Conducting user interviews and surveys is an essential part of user research in UI or UX design. It involves asking users about their experiences, needs, and preferences related to a product or service. User interviews are usually conducted one-on-one, and the interviewer asks open-ended questions to get detailed information from the user. These interviews can be conducted in person, over the phone, or via video conferencing. The goal is to gather insights about the user's behavior, preferences, pain points, and motivations. Surveys, on the other hand, are typically used to collect data from a larger group of people. Surveys can be distributed via email, social media, or on a website, and they usually consist of multiple choice or open-ended questions. Surveys can be useful for gathering quantitative data about user preferences, satisfaction, and demographics. Both user interviews and surveys are valuable tools for understanding user needs and preferences. By conducting these research methods, UI or UX designers can identify pain points in the user journey, develop user personas, and create design solutions that meet user needs. Creating user personas. Creating user personas is an essential part of user-centered design that involves developing fictional characters that represent the users of a product or service. User personas are based on real user research data and can help designers better understand the needs, goals, and behaviors of their target audience. To create user personas, designers typically conduct research such as user interviews, surveys, and observations to gather information about their users. They then analyze this data to identify common patterns and characteristics among their target audience. Based on these patterns, designers create user personas that represent the different types of users that they have identified. These personas typically include demographic information such as age, gender, and occupation, as well as information about the users' goals, needs, behaviors, and pain points. The purpose of creating user personas is to help designers better understand their users and design products or services that meet their specific needs and goals. By creating user personas, designers can also ensure that their designs are inclusive and accessible to a wide range of users. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.